Good afternoon, everyone. This is Team 2, Sub-Team 2. Today, you are going to a discussing a very important topic: IT resistance. IT resistance. IT resistance is a very important topic to reduce the hearing, to cut off projects, lay off companies. Continue.
Yes, Prithvi, what you said is absolutely correct. The main causes of IT recession is like global economical reduces and cost cut of some main companies, some of the famous companies like reducing jobs for saving money. Instead of they using man work, they're using artificial intelligence AI tools. So they have so much saving of money. Varun, what do you think about it?
As Prithvi, it's a tough time for IT companies and also their workers. There are a lot of job cuts due to because of nowadays AI is very playing but major role in IT companies due to less cost. The AI working the four people work at a time. What about you?
Yes, AI is rule the world in this generation, and IT recession is the slow down and decline the information of IT sectors, and and it causes the decrease in the major economics, and it is mainly impact on employees like project delays, cancellations, and focus on AI, etc.
Yes, you are right, Varshit. Nowadays, most of the people are doing IT sectors in a work because it is the best option to do. But most of the people are learning to do BTechs and etc.
Yes, Rupesh. Nowadays, IT recession means and the decreasing and decline the growth of the company when the companies faces a lot of a lot of lack of benefits and lack of projects and nowadays nowadays so many companies are reject the employees because of lack of communication skills and uh, lack of computer languages like python, java, c++ like that.
What you said is correct. I want to share a real-time example. In COVID-19 pandemic time, the main IT recession is occurred. Uh, in that time, so many jobs are reduced for IT companies. What about say Gautam?
In iteration in the generation, improve soft skills, employability skills to improve new skills in the generation. And especially we improve the employability skills. Mm,
You have to save your job for learning more courses to update for AI technologies. What about Varun?
To say safe, we should learn more skills that newly coming to, and we should don't use AI, and we should do
I should finally conclude by this main point. Uh, from in this tough situation, the IT registration will, like IT jobs, will save from learning new things from Python and Java to save her jobs.
Nowadays, IT companies are very.
in main COVID pandemic times, so many lost their jobs because of global economicals. Uh, the main companies reduces jobs in that situations. Finally, I conclude with in this future we have to save IT jobs, then learn more technologies for updated versions like Python, Java. Which the man work will equal to AI tools. Then only the job will survive in IT sectors.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Team 2, Sub Team 1. Today we are having a group. Today we are having a group discussion on the topic of IT recession. Before we dive into the topic, let me tell you what is IT recession. IT recession is the slowdown in information technology sector. Uh, it is caused mainly because of the reduced demand or massive layoffs.
Yeah, they have some massive layoffs and cutoffs in this IT recession. That means in recent years we can look out whatever challenges are facing in these IT sectors. Uh, Most of the IT employees are reducing their spending, salaries, those type of some of the uh, inefficient challenges that they're facing. Uh, Recent facts are tells about that as of now data since from 2024 to 25, so many of nearly 1 lakh, no, 4 lakhs of IT employees are lost their jobs due to these layoffs and hirings. Uh, so they are also challenging to face these hirings and lot of declinations, and also so they have to move on whatever they expecting in future, because the AI has come and the automation and digital transformation also increases to replace these ones. Uh, can you explain how these AI is forming and the digital transform is coming in those years?
Uh, this IT recession mostly impact on freshers. Mostly impact on freshers. Uh, due to this IT recession, mostly unemployed. Most people are unemployed. Due to this, uh, employees are faced struggles, le- low hirings, freshers that didn't get jobs due to this high IT recession. Please continue.
Yes, Ravana, what you say is right. But the IT resistance to reduce to build the strategies of your skills, to build the technical skills and master skills like to create the great profit, to explore the yourself, like to adopt the new skills, which skills in demand in the market, to adopt the new skills, to have escape the registration to your job always safety. What you want?
I think AI is the one of the reason nowadays we are facing the layoffs because of AI. The 10% the work will be done by one AI, which is very useful. And where we can say at the time of Corona, many of them have no jobs to do. While in that time, if the AI is there, it's a replace completely human system. So I think AI is the one of the most reason. We should be able to compete with the AI, and we can save from our job decisions. And that thing, I think so.
Yes, you are correct. AI is very, AI is very growing nowadays day by day. Because of AI is doing all the work to compare to human, and nowadays that's why we are losing the jobs, and so many students are facing struggles, and to giving low salaries. Uh, we can learn to beyond the subject to the education.
Yes, you are right, Ashok. We should learn day by day everything. We should always should be learning again and again. It's not a full stop. It should be a command. We should run like a AI to compete with AI.
Mm, coming to this IT recession, I have observed some positive things also. Whenever these IT companies are reducing these clients, they have need some new skills and some new development. They are encourages because the AI has increased. They are adopting with these AI, so the other clients are needs to uh, well skilled and some technical aspects should have to learn to uncertain or certainty have to build up in those companies. And also, as we know, recent wars like Russia Ukraine wars, these will affect in they have affected in so much of diesel petrol oil rising affected, and these will so much of rise in IT companies contracts and projects. Those are declination and some decreases of some other productions also. Can you tell what are the productions and what are the unemployment has recent years come?
As you mentioned, wars is a major concern. Because of the wars, the companies, the reputed companies, are doesn't want to invest in the certain companies who are going through a war. So war is a major concern in IT technology declination. And as everyone is mentioning AI, we cannot, a human brain cannot beat an AI because it thinks in infinity ways. So we have to learn some new skills. We have to develop some new skills where we can beat the AI in that.
IT recession is a period of the global slowdown process, and recently IT companies lack of jobs and less salary, lack of benefits. IT recession main causes high inflation, reduced income, and lack of salaries and IT companies on lack of benefits and lack of jobs.
Yes, we are saying AI is reduced the jobs, but AI is invented the IT sector, but there is no job safety for IT sector nowadays. But the mechanical engineering background persons are also safety because the mechanical engineering persons are to run the machining, to operate the machines. There are no risk of the jobs of mechanical background persons. That's why I am saying.
Yes, Ravi, we both are saying right.
Uh, as I have observed some recent websites, I look over that our neighbor foreign countries abroad like US and European countries, they have invested 60% of these investments on our own country India. But recent years they are lot of fear due to these IT downfall and recessions, and also coming future freshers from whatever colleges they have concluded, they also decreases to 50% to 40% requirements. So these can increases in coming future years also, so we need to gain some future skills, those type of.
So I want to conclude by saying that even IT is facing a downfall right now. It will definitely bounce back in the coming future.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are gathered to talk about and discuss about discuss about IT recession. So, what is IT recession? Firstly, we know about that. IT recession means it's slow downing the our industry, IT industries. So it means they are cutting our jobs and they are removing the some persons. And the main causes are global economic recession and AI replacing. So in this, the two things are affecting more in our community, our jobs and hiking projects like salaries. So in we need to overcome these things. So I will give some strategies to you guys. So first strategy is set a clear goal. It means if you are in clear goal, you need to learn some new things and uh, clear goals and clear communication is important when you are capable to talk with others in English, not only in any language. So if you are capable to talk, they have to talk with you. Like if you are listener properly, other words, you can survive and you can talk with the other persons. And not only that, two things, I have some strategies. Firstly, I know to know what about you are thinking. So Surya, what you said.
Yes, you said the right only. Nowadays, global economy is reducing due to AI, due to AI, and more job opportunities less, and more opportunities less, and you get more skills, and you beat and AI, you not beat AI, and you beat AI, and you think, your think awareness and getting.
Okay, you are correct. But before 5 years, we are getting IT recession. They get more peoples because of nowadays. Uh, Nowadays is less people because of a in IT recession. In IT recession and industries companies like nowadays peoples are getting less money to
I agree with both points. I think I shared some points like my said, that is, we should focus on learning multiple skills depending on one technology is risky in nowadays. So we can must explore more areas like artificial intelligence, data sciencing and cloud computing. Secondly, we can updating our knowledge. Technology changes placing and focusing on continuous learning through online courses or workshops helps us to stay relevant. And thirdly, we can strong having strong fundamental in programming, logic and problem solving activity is very important in nowadays. What about your point on?
Yes, what you have said is absolutely correct. Nowadays, we are suffering from jobless, and I have to give some suggestions to us and unemployability skill. Like you have to practice more skills, communication skills, and you have to uh, develop your communication skills, and you have to learn some technical skills like Python, C++, Java, etc. And you have to uh, improve your um, skills. Uh,
Yes, Ketana, you tell correctly. Unemployment, I raising the point on the unemployment. In the nowadays, all countries are really developing by the AI, artificial intelligence. The projects are very fast and the low cost used to employ employees free of cost. The on that time the unemployment is very high in the countries and other countries globally, but uh, the unemployment is very high in the all countries. Reduce the unemployment, uh, low salaries. The what the about
Yes, Ganesh, you said right. Nowadays, are the marketing have down price of Corona time has less and they are coming to the salaries are very less. They lead to families to very less. Then he is come the AI product.
And our strategies are to handle the IT execution, upgrade your self, and firstly cyber security and the CI/CD tools and the AI/ML tools. Get your certifications is improve yourself, and safety of the options, be open and remote and the contact and freelancers. Uh, sometimes temporary jobs to improve your permanent roles. What about?
Is that, but some tech companies are have skills, but they will not appointment for that interviews. But simply say that not have more skill can develop the more skill. Said that.
In this base, what you guys understand, what I understand, I will explain. In firstly, we don't have any only one certification or only one any technical skill. It won't work in nowadays. So we have to be learn lots of certificates and lots of technical skills, and some communication skills. So in this base, if you are learn these things, you can survive in this sector. So in this base, if we any target, like not only government job, not only any software side, we can survive, like we have some certificates, we have some technical skills more than not only one. So so you have to be, you go in any interview, they have to be compared firstly what is your communication level, what is your certification level, and what they have to be set or not for our company, and what they have skills. So if they check both persons, if you have more chances to get if you have these certifications or communication, you can be selected. This is my point.
Okay, you are correct. But nowadays companies and industries removed from the peoples, because the peoples are facing so many problems and family problems, and but he cannot get a jobs.
Yeah, that point is what I'm saying is, you have to be learn new things and new skills. If you learn that skills, they have to be hire you, they have to be give more salary to you. They don't want to be they want to be remove any some person. So this is my point. So
Yes, you said that right only. Nowadays, AI is come and easy to getting all things, and no, nowadays jobs are very less, and due to a due to a and less salary and less income to get our jobs.
the conclusion is, you have to be set, you have to be know some strategies, to replace AI. So the strategies is clear goal and clear communication, more skills, and some communication and understanding level, to listen what others saying and what you understand to convey in your point. So this is my point. Thank you.